Please, this sauce is for people who like enjoyment. Strictly for people who like enjoyment. If you like enjoyment, you have to hop on this because this is enjoyment made easy. It is very simple. Come with me to see how I made this. I prepped all the ingredients to make this easy, and as the title depicts, this is a one pot chicken sauce. So everything here is going to be in the description box, but here we have bell peppers, we have spring onion, ginger, garlic seasoning, chicken seasoning, salt, Cameroon pepper, and so on. So in a bowl, I just put in the already washed chicken and I just season this with salt, seasoning, and Cameroon pepper. I mix that and I let it sit for 20 minutes. For this sauce, you have to use your special pan. You know, the pan you like the most in your house. That's what you should use because, like I said, strictly for people who like enjoyment. In my favorite frying pan, I drizzled in some vegetable oil. I put in the chicken to sear it, that's to brown it on both sides. And when I achieved that, I put in my grated garlic and ginger, some spring onion, and I put in the water. I just tasted the water here and it tasted so good. When I tasted it, I asked myself if I should just drink it as pepper soup. But yeah, when the meat was properly cooked, I put in the slurry, I put in some Cameroon pepper, I put in the eggs, and basically every other ingredient. That's the bell peppers, the spring onion, and I stirred it. I just let it simmer for less than a minute and I put it off because these are vegetables and they are not supposed to be overcooked. Like I said, this is very easy and it's for people who like enjoyment. So if you like enjoyment, I need you to try this recipe. I need you to let me know if you eventually try it, and I want to know, would you prefer to have this with spaghetti or with rice? Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.